Greetings, my friends, and welcome back to my garden. Happy St. Patrick's Day from Southwest Florida. I've had a little yellow bird hanging around the garden for the last week. Let me show him to you. Here he is. This is a hybrid orchid called a Brassolaelia Yellow Bird. It was hybridized in 1990, and it took 2 rounds of breeding to come up with this beautiful orchid that has a lip with little red spots on it. This orchid started with 2 orchids, one pure white, a Brassavola nodosa, and one pure red, a Cattleya milleri. Then that offspring was bred back to the white Brassavola nodosa, and this is where we get Brassolaelia Yellow Bird. Now right next door here is a species orchid called a Brassavola Cattleya. This grows wild in Florida. It grows wild in Mexico, Central America. This particular strain comes from Mexico. This plant's about 11 years old. After it's done blooming, I'm going to separate it. See those ants crawling there? They're not hurting the plant. What they're doing is they're sucking the sweet nectar that comes off of the new buds. And those ants might very well be the pollinator for this orchid. Now, if it was an insect like a mite or something, it would actually be eating the plant. But these ants are just sucking the nectar, so that's okay. Thanks, friends, for stopping by. Have a lovely day and a very safe celebration. Ciao for now.